One owner, 36-foot camper, weighs in at about 7,000 pounds. It's called 312QBUD, Wildwood Heritage Glen. It's got 30-pound LP tanks, electric awning, 2 entry doors, outside kitchen, outside grill. I'll show you the kitchen here. It's here on consignment. That TV flips around. You can watch it while you're cooking out here, or you can have the kids watch it in the bunk room. There's the spare tire and the barbecue grill that swings around. It's got 2 slides. It's got the Schwintek slides. Let's go on in and have a quick look at it. Here's the park cable and satellite dish hookup. Nice little fridge, nice little sink, prep station, drawer to keep some stuff in. Electric awning's nice. I'm not sure how much we'll see in there. I can turn some lights on though. I'm testing my Facebook Live capabilities here. So far so good. It's a bunkhouse, so you got sleeps 2 there, 2 on the sofa. Got the island queen, flip up bed for storage underneath. There's some storage. You got a couple drawers there too. Microwave, sink covers, nice fridge, pretty decent bathroom, foot flush toilet, sink, medicine cabinet, skylight in the shower, give you an extra 6 inches of headroom. Hall closets, plenty of them. You got a flip down overhead bunk, and I see the last person made this into a bed already. It's also theater seating. There's the theater seating, and then flip down overhead bunk for a small person. Got a 44-inch bunk on that side, which is a nice bunk. Ladders here, built-in ladder. Little bit of a cabinet, and that's the TV we seen on the outside. It flips around so you can watch it on the inside. Pretty nice trailer all in all. Got drawers. These are great big 4-foot long drawers, 44-inch drawers. There's one here too. Lots of place to put your stuff in here. Overhead cabinets, stereo, microwave, stove and oven, storage under the sink, drawers. This was one of Wildwood's more popular trailers back in the day. 312QBUD. Probably still their most popular floor plan. We used to always stock one here, and I sold this one brand new. So there you have it. That's the tour. Big cooler size storage door here. See the super pass-through storage. This is a aluminum framed vacuum-bonded trailer. So it's fiberglass vacuum-bonded to aluminum studs. Oh, I should have rolled the awning out. May as well get that on film. Look how hard it is. There's the awning button, in and out. So let's go out. Got a little bit of wind today, so we might have a bouncy awning. There you have it. Awning's out. You probably hear the wind. Evidently GoPro only does the wide view when you're going live. So anyhow, it's what I told you. I sold it new. Kelly Hicks RV Sales. It's a 312QBUD Aluma structure, vacuum bonded, built by Forest River. This is a Wildwood Heritage Glen. Dry weight is 7,300 pounds. And this is unit 4269. Weight of the cargo should not exceed 2,066 pounds. So, let's see. Oh, a storm's coming up. Let's roll the awning in. There we go. In she comes. Got outside speakers too. I should have turned the stereo on. There you have it.